My name is Deana and I am a senior graduating in the class of 25, and I go to Coronado High School right now. The most helpful thing that I got out of this experience was definitely the college counseling. The college counseling process for me initially seemed like a really insurmountable obstacle. So it was very hard for me to begin the process. Mostly because I was very intimidated by it. I definitely felt some fear regarding the process because of the uncertainty. But the counselors here definitely helped me gain a solid footing, which let me, progress myself further into the process. So for my personal essay, I mainly just wrote about how I was able to meaningfully connect my two greatest passions together, science and music. Because the community service I was involved in specifically had me playing music for rehabilitation homes or hospitals. And specifically at the rehabilitation home that I was working in, we had it so that while others were playing music, we would have arts and crafts projects with them, so we could not only just play music for them as as audiences, but just get to know them better as people. So mainly I think I got support for this essay by my counselor just helped me dig deeper into my passions, really let me verbalize what I meant to say on paper, because I definitely thought that was a little bit difficult because I knew what I was passionate about. It's just verbalizing that was the hard part. So the most passionate extracurriculars I definitely did were the community service organization that I was the president of, but also the orchestra programs that I was lucky enough to get into all 4 years of high school. Specifically the CCSD Honor Orchestra here, as well as the Nevada All-State Orchestra. I guess for being the leader of an organization like this, it was up to me to try the hardest and being a good example, especially for the younger kids in the organization, because if I slacked off, then everybody else would too. So it was up to me to pull others along with me, but as a team player in the orchestra, it was up to me to also be prepared for the pieces we were playing so I could keep the team coherent and moving along well. So to all the juniors and upcoming seniors at this point, please do not procrastinate. That is a big pitfall in anything, honestly, that you do, especially college admissions, because upcoming seniors, you and juniors, you have less time than you think for this process, so you shouldn't, kick back too much. Also, do be thorough with the process, because I tended to be a little scatterbrained at first, I'd say, because I wouldn't maybe focus in on details as much as I should have. So that definitely caused me some unnecessary pain throughout this process, yeah. So I am hoping to pursue a human pathologist as a career. So a human pathologist would be studying and preventing disease. So specifically, that means I will be working in a lab as a technician or in a hospital. As for college, I am going to be majoring in biological sciences, and I hope to get a little bit more specific with that in the biology discipline, specifically for immunology, microbiology. But also in college, I hope to continue pursuing my love of music and possibly keep playing the piano or join an orchestra so I can keep up my viola career, because I don't want that to just, go away after high school, because I've been sticking with it for nearly 7 years now.